This one-pot meal is easy, simple, but really tasty. Crispy chicken thighs with white beans, burst cherry tomatoes, and spinach. It all starts with bacon. Once you have some bacon fat in the pan and the bacon is crispy, brown the chicken thighs and be patient. The key to crispy skin is time, so don't turn them too soon. Once the chicken is brown, start adding your flavor. Saute some onions in that bacon fat. Add garlic and rosemary, or thyme if you prefer. Deglaze the pan with white wine, or if you don't have any white wine, use dry vermouth. Then add the cannellini beans along with their tasty bean liquor. Add some chicken stock, return the chicken to the pan, scatter those cherry tomatoes over the top, and send it to the oven. The chicken should be browned at the end and crispy, and the beans should be bubbling. Remove the chicken to rest for a few minutes and then stir in the spinach to wilt. Serve the chicken on a bed of the beans, tomatoes, and spinach, and scatter the bacon on top if you like. This is easy and delicious.